to get a wrench and tighten it. But yeah. Because it's gonna do the job. But I'll be right back. Okay guys, so that is it. It went in pretty smoothly. I think part of it was because the dirt is really good. It's not like hard and compacted. The other thing is I've never used this thing right here. I don't even know what it's called, so I'm just gonna call it the poundy thing. This poundy thing, I did it like twice and it went down. I mean, granted, I had already done a hole, but it made it really easy. So the sign is readable, tells my house number, which I know a lot of people always got confused about because my mailbox is so far down that it's past my house. People a lot of times have passed my driveway. And it's reflective, so at night when car lights hit it, it should show. Instead of facing it directly to the street, I did it catty-cornered because there's a left-hand turn lane. So if they're making a left, they should see it very clearly. The other thing is that because people have always viewed this as a place to make a U-turn, I want people to be able to see it coming down the street, that they can't do it. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get another one. I'm going to put it on the other side because I want two, one on each side. So because then I've had people who've come from the opposite direction who turn in here to make a U-turn, so that way people are under no delusions. This is a private house. The people who owned the house before sold flowers, and especially with all the cups and stuff I have, like, people are very confused. They really think that I'm selling something, which I'm not. The other nice thing about this is because it is a U-post, I mean, I think technically I could probably attach a chain across that and to the other side so that people will see a chain and know they can't go any further. But I think with the pots that I have, I think it'll make it very clear, do not come under here and under any circumstances. Somebody was teasing me earlier today, and they're like, oh yeah, watch, you know, once you get that fountain, you're gonna wake up one morning and come out and see some people like in your front yard, you know, proposing. And they're like, you're gonna throw them off, aren't you? I'm like, yeah, I am. Yeah, I'm not doing it for that reason. So anyway, guys, that's it for the video. Just a short project, and now I gotta go walk the dog and prep for my appearance tomorrow. So I'll see you guys later. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Okay, bye.